Hi everyone, Jim Fultz, National Technical Trainer here for Copeland, wanting to share another tech tip on how to be able to switch from a standard thermostat to our Sensi Touch 2 thermostat that is Wi-Fi enabled and has a smart app that allows you to remotely control your thermostat anywhere. To have a touchscreen thermostat, it requires a fifth wire or a common wire. Typically, you only need 4 wires for any other thermostat, but with the Touch 2, we have to have that common wire. The first thing that you would do is make sure that the power is off before doing any work. Then remove the thermostat, and you can actually count or see those wires behind here. There are 5 wires here. There is the R for the 24 volt power, the common or C, 24 volt common, and then the Y for cooling, W for heat, and the fan, which is designated as G. Those are our 5 wires that we need, and we look good here. However, we need to stop, go back to the furnace, and verify all 5 are hooked up there. It can be deceiving if they're hooked up here and somebody may not have there. So let's go now, take a look in the furnace and make sure we have all 5 wires hooked up there. Now that I'm at the furnace, let's verify all 5 wires are connected to the control board. There are only 4 wires. The common wire was never originally connected. The old thermostat did not require it to function, but to have the Sensi Touch 2 touchscreen thermostat, I will now need to connect the common wire or that 5th wire. Now, with all 5 wires connected, we can go back to the thermostat, finish the wiring at the thermostat for the Touch 2, and are good to go for a Touch 2 thermostat to function.